Man, I wish it weren't so dark and gloomy all the time.
Yeah, I wish we had some sun.
Whoa!
Do you love the sun?
Do you love the rain? Then come on down to the lovely tropical rainforest.
We'll tell you everything you need to know.
Where it is, what's there, and so much more.
So,
here we go!
In this map, rainforests are indicated in green. As you can see, tropical rainforests are usually found in the lower half of the Earth's hemisphere. The biggest tropical rainforests are located in Brazil, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Peru, Indonesia, and Colombia.
Rainforests, as you can probably tell by the name, experience a lot of rain. Most rainforests get around 80 to 430 inches a year.
So you'll definitely need that umbrella.
Rainforests are very warm and humid. The temperature in the rainforest rarely goes above 33 degrees or below 20 degrees Celsius. Most tropical rainforest soils are relatively poor in nutrients, which millions of years of rain have washed away.
The rainforest is the most diverse of all the biomes. In this mural, you can see the flora and fauna found in this biome. The plants here include tropical flowers, such as bromeliads and orchids, and many types of palm trees. The main animals depicted here include jaguars, monkeys, and many types of birds. Here is a food web for the organisms of the tropical rainforest. In the bottom row, there are producers. These are organisms that use photosynthesis or chemosynthesis to produce their energy. From there, we have the primary consumers that eat the producers to get their energy. The second row from the top shows our secondary consumers. Lastly, but definitely not least, we have the tertiary consumers, the ones at the top of the food chain.
These bugs sure are annoying.
Yeah, they are.
Stop right
Don't scare
there!
those bugs. All the organisms in an ecosystem depend on each other to survive. If, for example, all the insects in the rainforest were to suddenly drop dead, many other species would suffer. The frogs and iguanas would have nothing to eat and they would perish. On top of that, the plants that the insects used to eat would overpopulate and take nutrients from other plants that other animals eat.
Man, it sure is muggy in this rainforest.
Yeah, I'm ready for some drier weather.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? To the Tundra!
The red parts of the map represent the tundra. If you prefer cold weather, take a trip to Canada, Greenland, Alaska, Norway, or Russia. Pretty much anywhere in the north.
How can animals survive here? The highest temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, and in the rainy season it only rains 11 inches.
And then it can get to below negative 30 degrees Celsius. There aren't many resources, but animals have adapted to survive in these harsh conditions.
The soil in the tundra is either frozen from permafrost or soggy, not great for growing plants. The plants that do grow are ground-hugging plants such as lichen, moss, sedges, and short grasses. This mural contains muskox, caribou, lemmings, and polar bears. Only a handful of the animals specially adapted to live in this biome's harsh conditions. The Arctic fox is another animal in the tundra biome that has special adaptations for its environment. Its fur color changes depending on the season to help it blend into its surroundings. It also has small pointed ears to help it hear prey underground.
These two biomes are very different.
For instance, the rainforest has a wet, humid climate and a high diversity of organisms, while the tundra has a dry climate and a low diversity of organisms.
But despite these differences, they both have nutrient-poor soil and are both drilled for oil.
Thank you for joining us as we explore the tropical rainforest and the tundra. Now get out there!